How to turn on or turn off personal or Wi-Fi hotspot family sharing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular. In Cellular, we go down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Family Sharing. In here, tap on Family Sharing toggle button to turn off or switch on Family Sharing. And that's it. Once this is turned on, you can also choose your family member. So either ask for approval or automatic. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.